Today, I'll walk you through how to reduce decimal places in Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust decimal places in your Notion database so you can present your data more clearly and effectively. Let's get started. First, open the Notion application and navigate to the database that you want to edit. This is like opening a book to the chapter you want to focus on. It sets the stage for the changes you're about to make. Once you have your database open, the next step is to click on the column title of the property you wish to modify. This is similar to selecting a specific section in a document that you want to edit. After clicking on the column title, you will see a drop-down menu. From here, select Edit Property. This option allows you to customize the settings for that specific column, much like adjusting the settings on a device to better suit your needs. Now, look for the option labeled Decimal Places. Click on it to access the settings where you can adjust how many decimal places you want to display. This is an important step because it determines how precise your data will appear. Finally, choose your desired number of decimal places. You can select from various options depending on how detailed you want your numbers to be. This is akin to deciding how finely you want to slice a cake. More slices mean more detail, but sometimes less is more. If you have other columns in your database that you want to modify, simply repeat these steps for each one. Adjusting decimal places can help streamline your data presentation and make your database easier to read. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Notion updates its interface from time to time, but the core functionality remains the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.